friend try to crack my back, like a little bit of pain, or I feel like an obstruction under my right shoulder blade, in between there and like my spine.
See, I feel this over here. This is all swollen right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And this helps confirm a level.
Okay, this is a big one here. This is not moving at all. This is like a brick wall. So I'm gonna take a closer look, see what's going on over here, here, and there. There, right? This. Next, let it go. There's. Gotta get this one more angle. There it is.